Learn about CSV files. So first of all we will see what is CSV file. CSV stands for comma separated values. When we store our data in the form of tables, then it will become CSV files. Each line of the file is a data record. It means in a table every line contains data record, and data record in a table has more than one value separated by comma. When we create CSV files in Python or in any language, then record different fields of a record separated by commas. The use of comma as a field separated is the source of the name for this file format. CSV file, we can use CSV files to transfer data from one application to another. When we download any data from any website, then it is in the form of CSV files. The files of we can open CSV files in MS Excel and nearly all the databases. In all the databases there is a tool to import the CSV files. In Python we have already inbuilt module that is called CSV for working with CSV files. So in short, CSV files contain data in the form of tables, and in Python we will use a module named CSV. Now next. Now I give the example of CSV file, how it looks like. Now this is a simple data table in which there are 4 columns having name, programming language, designed by, appeared, and extension. Now this is a simple table. We can see this table in Excel. Now how it looks like when we see this table in CSV files. We already studied that CSV file contains data separated by commas. So now you can see how this table in CSV format, CSV data. Now you can see programming language, comma designed by, comma appeared, comma extension. This is the first row of the previous table, then second row, then third row, then fourth row, and attributes are separated by comma here. Clear? This is an example of how a CSV file looks like. Now next. Now we are talking about Python. How we can create a CSV files. So first, to create a CSV file, we have to import the CSV module. So how you import? You just write import space CSV. When you write this command, it will execute all the modules of all the functions of CSV modules. Now next, how to open and how to close a CSV file. To open a CSV file, we will write with space open, small bracket start. In single quotes, you have to write the file name having extension .csv, comma mode is equal to R or W. R for read and W for write. Then delimiter is equal to single quotes में comma. It means when the CSV file we created, it is separated every columns with comma, small bracket close as file name. Then next, how to close a CSV file? For closing the CSV file, we will just write file name dot close bracket start bracket close. Now next we will see how we can read and write from a CSV file. We will use the following function of CSV module: csv.reader to read data from a CSV file, csv.writer to write the data to a CSV file. For reading purpose, we write the command csv.reader within small bracket CSV file, comma single quotes में हम आर लिखेंगे. और राइटिंग के लिए we will write csv.write small bracket start csv file dot w. W for write and R for read. Reader means we are reading the data from the file and writer means we are writing the data into a file. We can also write to different function dict reader and dict writer. When we use these function when we write data in dictionary form, but in our syllabus we have to use the function reader and writer only. So we will make the programs with the help of CSV reader and CSV writer. First of all, we will see how to write data into a CSV file using csv.writer. Now this is a simple program. Now you see, first of all we have to write import CSV for importing the necessary modules. Then we have to open the file. For opening the file we will write with space open, then small bracket में हम लिखेंगे path of the file where you will create your CSV file, comma mode is equal to W bracket close as file. Here file is a object. Mode is equal to W हमने लिखा है कि हम writing कर रहे हैं फाइल में. Then we will create the object for writing the contents. We will write writer is equal to csv.writer within bracket file. This is a way how to write the CSV file. Then for creating a row we will use writer.write row. Write row, then we will write different column separated by commas, small bracket start. Then लिस्ट की फॉर्म में हम लिखेंगे प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, कॉमा डिजाइन बाय, कॉमा पीरियड, कॉमा एक्सटेंशन. दिस इज द डिफरेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ फर्स्ट रो. देन सेकेंड रो राइटर डॉट राइट रो, देन राइट डिफरेंट एट्रीब्यूट्स ऑफ सेकेंड रो, then different attributes of third row, then fourth row. In this table we will create 4 rows. Now you see how. Now you can see the CSV file created having name write data.csv having 4 rows. Now CSV writer function is used to create a write object, and writer.write row function is used to write a single row to the CSV file. Every row written in the file issues a new line character by default. Now how to write multiple rows into the CSV file? For writing multiple rows into the CSV file we have to use 2D list. Now how? First of all import CSV, then open the file, then again object of the file, then we will write writer.write rows instead of write row. Then we will create 2D list like that. In this way it will create again this table. Now how to read the data from the CSV file? Suppose we want to read this data from a CSV file, then we have to write import CSV with open, then open the file with the help of open command. Then we have to use the reader function, readerf, csv.readerf in a variable data. Then we have to use a loop to read each row. For row in data, print row. The output is just look like that.